Uniswap is likely to register a 1% decline tomorrow, CoinCodex shows. Let's begin with a short review of today's market direction. Uniswap has advanced by 1.8% today and is currently hovering around $3.166. Let's scan the expert predictions today. 30 Rates believes the price could move to $3.189 by tomorrow, which is nearly 0.7% higher. CoinLore puts the target for Uniswap at $3.18, about 0.4% above current value. According to Coin Price Forecast, it might push down toward $3.15, a potential decrease close to 0.5%. Another prediction from CoinCodex puts the target for Uniswap at $3.135 on the downside, approximately 1% lower. To conclude, Traders Union points toward $3.10 by tomorrow, a drop of 2.1%. This is the highest yield forecast we've reviewed. The 5 forecasts are in. Let's go beyond that. Let's take a closer look at the key details of these forecasts. Based on the analysts' predictions, the price range is from a drop of 2.1% to an increase of 0.7%. The numbers make it clear that Traders Union predicts the highest return with 2.1% gain in value by July 8. That makes it possible to bring in between $4 and $21 for every $1,000 you invest. Based on probabilities, CoinLore has delivered the most reliable forecast with a 97.5% chance of success. Out of the 5 separate forecasts, I've built one consensus scenario. Based on the consensus, Uniswap is projected to trade near $3.151. So, let's go step by step. Consensus view highlights a 0.5% fall in price. To summarize clearly, your capital might also go up by around 0.5% if the trend follows through. On a $1,000 investment, that could amount to about $5 gained. And when it comes to probabilities, the consensus forecast for Uniswap carries about 97.4% likelihood. Let's turn our attention to the 3-day projections. Stability is emphasized by 30 Rates. A bullish track is suggested by CoinLore. Coin Price Forecast suggests calm conditions with prices steady. Likewise, CoinCodex believes the market will remain calm. The short-term stance from Traders Union is also optimistic. Analysts together suggest Uniswap will lean higher over the coming 3 days. At the end of the day, 60% of analysts lean bearish on Uniswap. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts were published. Let's see which ones held up yesterday. In the end, the price reached $3.18. Only one prediction stood out as correct about the direction. Closest forecast to the actual move came from CoinCodex. Let's put everything in order. Yesterday's range included 4 forecasts inside. Speaking of ROI, multiple analysts posted gains, and 30 Rates stood out with 1.1%. Now on screen is the full results summary, how forecasts performed after fact-checking. CoinCodex posted accuracy and 0.1% ROI, with 98.1% forecast probability. Look through the table and notice which forecast turned out most accurate. Now you'll see how tomorrow's potential gains look for Uniswap compared with other assets. Uniswap isn't leading this time as the top spot goes to Kaspa with a forecasted return of 2.2%. Right now, Uniswap is shown with 4 cryptocurrencies, while a far larger group is already open for analysis on my website. Before you go, support the channel with a like and subscribe if you value these analyst by analyst updates. See you later.